Come on. Oh my god!
Hey, so okay, I'm on my way to college. I'm walking down on initially, which is going to be a really famous street. Georgie used this street for his footage. Georgie is a friend.
So we're here in Fire Club. So this is my friend Georgie. Say hi, Georgie. I'm actually filming with his camera now because mine can't see in the dark.
My camera is enlightening. Just say link is in the underbar to my channel.
No, that's called the doobly-doo. Okay, so I'm gonna put a link to his channel. What channel?
Super Saiyan Jikathon.
Okay, I'm gonna put the subtitle on top. Okay, so or you can click this tag here.
Click this tag.
Yeah, or you can click this tag or this tag. I did it my way. The thing is that George is going to start George. Okay, I talked about him this morning. Yes, I talked about you on initially, and he's gonna start his own channel with his own daily vlog, won't you?
Yes, I will. Not daily vlog, but weekly vlog maybe.
Yes, maybe weekly vlog. So he's gonna put some videos up, and I'm going to advertise him. He's paying me money to do that.
By the hour. Lots of money for Vic.
Yeah, and we're back to Vic's vlog in the subway. That's our star.
You know,
And
when I'm getting sick or something, I'm gonna pay this guy to film.
yes, I'm gonna be the new Vic, and Mircea is making sign to us because we're too slow. He's faster. Yeah, I get it.
Let's go, girl.
Oh, what's Vic doing? We can have a conclusion from this. Romanian people are good at censorship.
You know,
We're
You
the
know?
best.
Știi fata?
I'm
The
tired.
worst part of censorship is
I don't
și
know.
pe aceea e tăiat.
You know, like conclusion in Mortal
3D
Kombat.
mode.
Like
In 3D mode.
Like-
Let's see it all.
you see, he does this every time. See what I put up with? He never lets me speak.
Give me that camera. Fine. Thank you. Hello, I'm Mircea.
Wait, this is my video blog. You don't get that much airtime.
Hello, Mircea. Hello, Georgie. Hello,
I'm
Victor.
here.
We paid for our
My video
airtime.
blog.
Shut the
This little boy right here is gonna eat a McChicken.
Our food at McDonald's. Before and after. Haven't finished my juice. How was that? How was that? Awesome.
I should shoot you with my laser.
Or maybe you can talk really fast, like, how's Georgia? How's it going? Good. Hey, Mitya. Hey, go. Say something.
Go.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Bye, bye.
Da, vrut. Mai filmat nimic? Ups, Subway. Take two. Ups, Subway. Be happy. Say hi, George.
Hi. We're in the subway and we're filming.
I never actually...
Dar chiar pasă tare.
I never actually thought of filming a sub.
Wait. Let's flip Victor.
Short Romanian moment. Salut.
Howdy.
That was very Romanian.
Konnichiwa.
We're on our street on our way home and there's
Our
nobody
street is my street.
nobody on Alunishuri Street. Yes, Vlogger Street. Like now.
What's
Are the broke.
Every time Mircea talks, it's like Victor, beep, 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 beep.
Okay.
Too much.
Hey doggy, do you agree with Mircea? Come on. Oh my god, let's run away!